Good day guys, another math problem. Okay, a sequence or number series pattern. So ang tanong is find the next number of 2, 6, 12, 20 and 30. So ang tinatanong dito is yung sunod sa 30, right? So the pattern are, okay, 2, this is 2 times 3 is 6 times 2 is 12. Hindi pwede, no? Hindi siya geometric. Okay, so pattern siya. So para siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the answer is like this: 1 times 2. Okay, so 2. Okay, bring down 2. Ito. Next number is 3. Okay, 6. Okay, bring down 3. These are like n times n plus 1. Ayan yung ang technique sa pattern. Okay, series or pattern, ito yung formula. Yung n is the number, okay, yung number times n plus 1. Yung n, ito din plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so this dito 2. Okay, ito 2. Say for example 2 times 2 plus 1. So magiging siyang 3. Ito na yon. So bring down mo lang yung 3. Okay, n times 1, n times n plus 1. N plus 1 is 4. Okay, this is 12. So ganun na yung pattern. So bring down 4. Next number is, kasi n plus 1, 5. So this is 20. So bring down 5. N plus 1 is 6. So this is 30. So bring down 6. N plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 42. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple yung pattern. Ito lang ang tatandaan nyo: n multiplied by n plus 1. Halimbawa yung number is 1, multiplied mo yung 1 plus 1, yung magiging 2 times 1, no? No, pattern na yan. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please share my videos so that makaabot kung saan ang tinuturo ko. This is for free. Okay, so thank you guys. God bless.